So we've got the Graco Magnum X7 airless paint sprayer, and today we are going to be painting our garage door black. The first thing that we're going to do is remove this trim on the side because it is cracked, so we already have replacements for that. We're considering possibly doing the trim part in black, but to start, we're just going to paint the door black and then replace these two side sections with new fresh pieces of white trim and go from there. So we're going to go ahead, get that pulled, get everything masked off, and then open up this sprayer and get it started. All right, so we've got everything taped off and ready to go. We did remove our side trim pieces. Some people like to keep those on so that you don't get paint behind the new ones and have it stick or anything, but we're gonna make sure the paint is nice and dry before we apply the new ones. So this is ready to go. So we will jump over here to the paint sprayer. It's a pretty simple setup. All right, so we've got it all loaded up with paint and we're ready to spray. All right, so we've gone ahead and put on our first coat. It looks like it is going to cover just fine. The only adjustment we made while painting was we turned it from the start up to about a little over a quarter forward, and that gave us a nice wider spray pattern, but we are good to go. Everything is tight and clean, avoided any overspray, and now we're gonna go inside and unlock the door. We're going to bring it up just a little bit, and what that'll do is make sure that all of these cracks are open so they don't dry together and peel any of the paint. And then in about an hour or so, we'll go ahead and pull any of the tape stuff around here. That way we don't run the risk of the paper flopping and touching that while it's still trying to dry. So yeah, super excited. All right, so this is the finished door. It is nice and sharp looking. We got new trim in on the sides, both sides, and then we reinstalled the top. We left that white. Really happy with how it looks. Came out great. The most important part with any of this is just making sure the door is super clean, and then when you're spraying, just adjusting the pressure so that you get a nice even pass on everything and that you're kind of overlapping 50-50. What we did do for this was we did pull the door off, and we actually painted this first to get our gun dialed in and everything. And then after that, we were able to jump over to the garage door. Came out really sharp. Love the look of it. Super happy, and the sprayer was super easy to use. And then we were able to go ahead and do the house, and that is in our other video if you want to check that out, where we painted our entire house white, and it looks pretty cool. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys later.